Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how Claude Code and GitHub work together as a workflow for building the complex apps. Now, Claude Code acts like your intelligent coding partner. You can ask it to generate the functions, debug tricky logic, and even explain the large databases in plain language. Its strength is handling the big context so it can review entire files or reason about architecture. On the other side, we have GitHub. GitHub is where the real collaboration happens. It basically manages the version control, branches, and pull requests, and even Teams workflow. By connecting Claude's explanations and code generation with GitHub's project management, you will be able to create a smooth loop. Claude helps you plan and write smarter code, and GitHub organizes and tracks it for your team. Together, they are undoubtedly powerful. You can draft features or fix with Claude, push them to GitHub, and then you can use the reviews, testing, and CI pipelines to keep the projects reliable. This combination blends AI reasoning with solid developer collaboration tools, which is exactly what complex apps needed. In short, Claude Code helps you think and code smarter, while GitHub makes sure that everything is organized and production ready. So, would you use this combo in your workflow? You can share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical tech guides. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.